Let's edit settings in Terrain Controller layer. You can switch between 2D or 3D map mode in one click. All setup automatically will be changed. You can change terrain height and floor level. You can switch rendering mode, draft, without effects, or final render. Add grid effect to terrain surface, and edit them. You can change slice color, georamp or flat color mode. For fast edit georamp you can use color presets and edit them. Also you can add water surface. All object in terrain will be offset absolutely correct. Water surface have many options for the best result. You can add transparency and change water color, turbidity and add coastal line. You can add procedural clouds for your 3D map. Fog effect also can be added. Thanks for watching.